30 paddlers to go. So once Adriana Morenova crosses that finish line, we will start to see who is going to qualify. The top 30 will go through to the semi-finals.
Morenova, Czechia.
The Czech C1 women have been so high up there for so long now. Shout out to Teresa Fizarova, recently a new mother, not competing today, but hopefully she will be back on the scene in the future.
And we said the production line's continuing because their junior teams have been superb at the junior and under 23 level. Morenova was part of the team that won the junior team gold and under 23 silver. There's a couple of junior under 23 world championships, 21 years of age, moving into the senior ranks shortly.
Morenova in touch with split, 0.54 down into second position, only 0.32 behind the current race leader. That means Leah Novak is the first to qualify. On the top of the course,